Samsung might be dropping One UI 8 Beta 2 for the Galaxy S24 series sooner than you think. Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra owners are already exploring fresh One UI 8 features via the beta program ahead of the stable rollout. Fresh reports now hint that Samsung could release the One UI 8 Beta 2 update for the Galaxy S24 lineup very soon. A trusted source recently spotted a new One UI 8 beta build for the Galaxy S24 family carrying the version S928BXXU4ZUH9. It confirms that Samsung is testing it internally. This signals that the company is gearing up to push out a fresh beta update for its flagship S devices. The Galaxy S24 lineup has already picked up its first beta in select regions, and the next One UI 8 Beta 2 release may be just around the corner. Beta builds are Samsung's early software versions shared with users to test and provide feedback. This way, Samsung can squash bugs and enhance stability before the public launch. For now, Galaxy S24 users who entered the beta program can expect the Beta 2 release to land soon. It should deliver improvements, smoother performance, and possibly add fresh features. Stay tuned for the official rollout details. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. Samsung is gearing up to bring the One UI 8 beta to its Galaxy S series, but the wait isn't over just yet. While rumors claimed the rollout had already started, Samsung has now officially confirmed the beta program will begin next month. The One UI 8 beta, based on Android 16, will be available for select Galaxy M models including the A36 5G, A55 5G, A35 5G, and A54. Users will be able to enroll through the Samsung Members app once the program goes live. Here's the rollout plan. Galaxy A36 and A35. Beta launching in India, South Korea, the UK, and the US. Galaxy A55 and A54. Beta limited to India, South Korea, and the UK, since these devices never launched in the US. Meanwhile, Samsung is also preparing internal builds for other A-series phones, so far we've seen. Galaxy A56, internal build detected. Galaxy A55, beta build confirmed. Galaxy A54, beta build confirmed. Galaxy A36, beta build surfaced. Galaxy A35, beta build detected. Galaxy A26, internal build spotted. Galaxy A73, internal build spotted. Galaxy A33, Geekbench entry confirmed. The new One UI 8 update promises smarter and more seamless AI features with multimodal support, though some of the high-end AI tools will remain exclusive to flagship devices due to hardware limitations. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.